Hey everybody, we're just cleaning up dinner in our house, as I'm sure some of you are, and I thought I would show you really quickly inside my pantry. So I told y'all I would give you a little tour, and I wanted to talk about the monthly special, so here we are. So first of all, let me show you this fancy new bin that we have. So this is called the Your Way display bin. This is the one that I posted last week. You guys gave me all those amazing ideas. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's still got the side handles. It's shorter in the front than in the top. I am so excited to use this. This is a brand new product for us, also in a brand new print. This is one of the items that is on sale this month. So every $35 you spend, you have a choice of 3 options. Either the Your Way Cube for $15, this for $12, or the rectangles for $10, and you can choose up to 2. So I want to show you how I use those in my pantry. So voila, this is a few years ago print, but we do have a mocha crosshatch. So I just wanted to show you how I use things. So my favorite products always are the Hyacinth's rectangle Your Way basket. These are super awesome, heavy duty. They are a little bit more pricey. They're $40 each, but I will tell you that I use them almost exclusively for heavy things. Like over here I have all my oils and vinegars, and this is great for that. Not only does it just protect my shelves, but it's just great to pick up and out. This one I use, we take it out to the patio, we have plates and stuff in there. So again, these are the regular Your Way rectangles. So like this one I have nuts and seeds. This one is like goji berries, coconut, dried fruit, oatmeal. This one's for my Ziploc bags. Up here I have a little caddy. This one has all kinds of like supplements, cough drops, stuff like that. And then this is my favorite also. You guys know I love the fold and file. This one is actually full of my essential oils and my binder. And then this one is filled with recipes. So I actually keep all my recipes. I'm still a Pinterest girl, but I still like paper recipes. So those are my fold and files. And again, I just kind of have, these are some older products that we used to have. I would use a Your Way cube here. Instead of these are kind of slouchy. The Your Way cubes are going to stand up tall for you. So again, that's just kind of, we have chips, snacks and stuff in here. We've got granola bars, another one in here. Down here, the kids, a pan, right? The kids have their own snack bin. And then another way that I love to use them, we have a cup problem in our house, so we have lots of thermos and turvises and things like that. This is great for those paper plates and for all those cups, so they're not constantly falling down. And then we use a little carry-all caddy for all the lids, so those are contained that way. So that's kind of my favorite things, that Your Way cube. Again, you can get 2 for every $35 you spend. So essentially you could buy 1 plus a lid, and then you would be able to get 2 more at $10 each. So super great. One more thing. So some of them have the chalk panel in the front. All of them have a place to embroider. So some of them have a clear panel, and some of them have a chalk panel, which I love because you can erase and write whatever you want on there. I did this a few years ago, and I didn't have the budget to personalize it at that time, but I definitely wish that I would have. I know, because this is my pantry, I know what's in each of these, and you can kind of see. You could also use a dry erase marker on that clear if you wanted, but I will tell you that my kids, and if I have guests, like my parents are here a lot, they don't always get things back where they're supposed to, and I know that if I had that function of that personalization, that I would definitely do that. So if you have that in the budget, I would definitely recommend you doing that. Again, you can buy 1 rectangle for 25 bucks, personalize it for 8. You're super close, or you could have put an icon on it, our new little cooking icon, something like that. You'd be at that 35 to get those 2 extras. The other ways that I use those, this is kind of our vitamin supplement area, kind of where all of our water bottles and stuff sit. We use the littles for that same reason. We've got supplements and stuff in there. They're easy to grab. This is the girls' vitamin bin. I get it out. It sits on the counter. That's just, we use that. We put it back when we're done. The other way that I use those rectangles, so this is our little coffee bar area here. Here is our new, again, that Diddy dot print. Here's a rectangle that I've used. It has all of our Keurig boxes in it, which I'm learning that not everyone has Keurigs anymore because a lot of people have the Ninjas. But this is great for all those K-cups. And then you could also put other things in there. And then here I have just our little Your Way bin. It's got some vanilla powder, cups, stuff like that. And then this is our junk littles carry-out. It's got sunglasses, it has note cards, coupons, phone chargers, all kinds of junk. It's just kind of our collection bin. So that's kind of how I love to use those. So keep in mind this month, that special. I'm going to show you a couple other areas of my house. The rest of the week, we're going to look in my pantry, or in my closet, and maybe in our craft room, we'll see. So I wanted to just give you guys an idea of how I use those. And I do love those rectangles. I use them everywhere. So definitely take advantage if you're shopping the outlet sale and that customer appreciation sale that end this Sunday. Make sure that you get those specials. So comment below and let me know what you saw that you might use in your pantry, or what you like best. Maybe the rectangles, the cubes, or our new display bin. So have a good night, you guys.